started recording as he started swearing. Hello, it's Alex and I'm here with Mike.
Hello.
And we're in the shed, or Mike's shed.
Oh, you mean the furnace?
The furnace, yes.
I'm seriously, I'm considering like walking into the sea and giving my old kippers a steam.
I wonder what the smell was.
Wasn't me. It was old Farty McFartface over there.
I have been very
Burping
windy.
and, yes.
You know, well, you were moaning there wasn't enough air in here, so...
Yeah, okay, fog on, leg on.
Well, we did get the P4 down on the table to have a look at that to make sure it's ready, because tomorrow we're going to go to a little indoor... It's indoor, isn't it?
Indoor, yeah.
Indoor. Is that going to be hot as well?
It's actually quite cool in there.
Good.
Weirdly.
We're going to an indoor racetrack for radio controlled cars.
Carpet racing.
Carpet racing.
Not to be confused with carpet munching.
I was just going to say, where's he taking me?
Different sport altogether.
So Mike races a lot of his cars because he has got a lot of cars. How many of you have you raced down there?
Of my own.
Yeah.
2 touring car, 1.
We've got
only
all day.
3 so far. I think.
Only 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 touring car, 1 Formula 1 car.
Because you've taken that Subaru, haven't you?
No, that was the outdoor track.
Oh, that's the outdoor track.
There's a new outdoor track there now.
Oh yeah, you sent me a video. I still haven't bloody watched it. This is this Subaru. Try not to knock down all these random fans he's got set up to try and cool him down. I think that's cool. I like that.
Oh, I took that one down as well.
What, the big one?
The blue one, the fan.
Oh, that blue one.
Yeah, that goes like stink.
Is it? So yeah, we're going to try out the P4 on the racetrack. I'm not a race fanatic, but I'll have a little whiz round. Why not? Still haven't done anything to it.
It'll be good for shits and giggles.
Yeah. There's not many people going apparently, so I'm going to go and make up the numbers. I'll take Raimi as well. But yeah, we haven't done anything to the shell yet. I said to Mike maybe he could help by cutting the windows out and we could get some paint on it, but we'll see. But,
we will, we just don't want to rush it.
Yeah, we don't want to rush it.
No point rushing it.
No point in Russians, is there?
No.
So we thought that we'd start getting this Wild Dagger back together, my sort of monster truck thing. So
you'll have to see if you can get that wheelie yellow dude, the wheelie yellow to drive in your Range Rover.
Yeah,
that would be hilarious.
Cool, wouldn't it? Yeah. It looks like something he'd go about in.
Oh yeah.
I just spent ages giving these a bit of an extra clean up and put new bearings in.
You were?
Because I got new bearings for those. We're using some good old bearings for the gearboxes. We've already done the diff in that one. So we've just got to give the casings a bit of a clean here. This one's done. Got new drive shafts. New skid plate bumper thingamabobs because these are disgusting. Look at them.
Disgusting!
Disgusting! Disgusting. I got a cheapy speed controller thing to go in it as well.
Cheapy.
What else did I get? That was it, wasn't it?
Yeah, drive shafts.
Pinion.
Oh, pinion.
Here we are.
Pinion.
New pinions. This is an 18 and a 19 because somehow I had different sized pinions in my gearboxes. So one was an 18 and one was a 20 for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't even know how that worked.
Not a clue.
But it did. I just don't know how or why.
Well, it would have been dragging the one lot of wheels behind because they would have been rotating slowly.
Yeah, you think I would have noticed that?
Probably not.
No, I didn't. Go on, you tell him.
No.
You tell him, Pike.
No.
Tell him, Pike.
No, don't tell him your name, Pike. I'm putting the chassis together.
So and we don't know what the front is.
Oh, we do now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, you had a look at the videos?
No, I just made it the front. It's
looks the same.
It's like today's society. It'll go both ways.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And you
so
just put my chunky servo in there, haven't you, for the steering?
So that's gone in there.
That's cool.
We've got one gearbox together. We're just going to put the other gearbox together.
And there's lots of other bits and
We
bobs.
should theoretically have this as a rolling chassis by the end of the day.
Yeah, got no tyres, but...
Good point, actually.
yeah, I was going to ask you what
I might
tyres.
actually have some tyres upstairs. I know I've got a set upstairs. They're worn, but they're not split. So
okay. Mine would definitely split.
Yeah. Were all of them split? Or
Yeah,
did we
they
have
were
two
all
good ones?
knackered. No, they've all gone.
I think I've only got two, so we'll have to pick up another set at some point.
I just didn't know what to order.
Tyres. Big round things.
Yes, I know, but you said something about you had tyres that weren't as
Yeah, only two.
knobby as that one or something.
Only two.
Okay. Well, you have to show me and then...
I will.
I'll see.
But I think
tyres.
I think here. I think going into the attic at the moment may be a bad idea.
Yes.
I'm not saying it's hot up there.
So hang on, how many fans have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fans.
Yeah, and the loft will just be nuclear up there.
Not a nice place to be.
Nuclear up there.
Not a nice place.
I'm not saying it's hot, but me, it's hot.
Well, it's looking more like a car now, sort of. The chassis together, the gearboxes are complete and fitted to the chassis. The servos in for the steering linkages flopping around there.
Yeah, just made up the lower arms.
You've done the lower arms. I did put some nice shiny bearings in the hubs, but somebody took them all out.
And put them in the gearbox.
He said that better to put the new ones in the gearbox rather than in there, because these tend to get a bit dirtier because they're outside.
Yeah.
So.
Ideally, we could have done with rubber shielded bearings for the hubs, but it is what it is. It's not going to make much difference. So.
Yeah, it'll do for now. There's another one kicking about somewhere. I don't know where that went.
They're all in here, I think.
Oh, you've been cleaning them?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is isopropyl alcohol for cleaning bearings.
And this is the 20 pinion that I don't need.
Yeah.
There's another 20 pinion somewhere from the...
19.
There it is.
Is
it? Oh, we got a 20 and a 19.
20 and 19, yeah.
Random.
Well, they come in packs of like 2 of like 1-up number, so 18, 19, 20, 21, so...
Okay. Well, I guess I'll keep them.
Yeah.
They're mine. Spare parts for something, you never know. I don't know what that one's got in it.
Ah! You can use those, I think, yeah, you can use those in that. So it means you can change the gearing in that one if you wanted to.
Okay.
So that actually worked out quite well then. And I think there are 18, 19, 20. So I'll have to have a look on the side, see what it says.
And this is the...
New big ESC.
Yeah. ESC.
That'll do 2 motors at the same time.
Yes, that's why you picked this one.
You?
So I don't have... You picked it.
You said that's why I picked that one.
Did I say I?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, of course you
say
picked
I.
Yeah, of course,
No,
of course
you.
you picked it because you knew exactly what you were looking for.
I didn't say I.
What do you think of this one? Oh, that's actually perfect to what you
I said why.
It's on video, we'll find out.
Yeah,
later.
we'll find out. But Mike picked this.
It's only a cheapy.
Because I had Scotch blocks on it before and
a mechanical speed
it was
controller.
all very rubbish, wasn't it? Yes, and look at the little fan.
I mean, that is a cheapy Chinese.
It is cheapy.
But if it works, it works. If it goes pop, don't you get the more expensive one? But you just didn't want to spend the money, to be fair.
No, I was pretty tight.
Yeah.
It's not as if I'm going to be competing and, you know, rallying it across the fields like I used to.
Oh, I don't know. You might.
I might do.
The things with those, with the cheap Chinese ones, you either you get one that works and it's brilliant and it'll last you a long time, or you get one and it blows up within the first 5 minutes. The reason they're cheap is they don't tend to go through the same scrutineering as the more expensive ones. So basically they'll just build it and ship it. They won't do the testing like they do.
Okay.
And that's where the money goes, for the testing side of things and quality control. So
How much did that cost me? I can't remember. It wasn't much, was
17 quid,
it?
wasn't it?
Something like that. It wasn't
Yeah.
much.
I mean,
I thought it's worth a pop.
well, it probably will be a pop. But the next one up to this of similar, I think it was about 40 something quid.
Yeah, like double.
Yeah, but that is a pretty good one, to be fair.
Yeah.
So if this one works, brilliant. If it doesn't, then
Well, no.
go up the next one.
Yeah, here's where it is.
Yeah.
I was just going to go over here because I was going to say Mike's dug out his mini discs, and I've never seen a mini disc. I've heard of them. MIDI, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, MIDI disc. I've never heard one. It's a CD inside of a floppy disk, pretty much. Good idea. He said that they didn't really kick off because what do you say,
Solid state.
solid state
So
music, so USB sticks and stuff.
Yeah, so it was like the early Apple, what are they called? iPods. Yeah.
So they all sort of come out.
They were coming out.
Oh, and the little MP3 player.
Exactly, MP3 iPods. That sort of thing
So this got pushed to one side pretty much. But Mike's got one of these CDs. I don't know if it's that one. He's actually made a song on the PS1.
Yeah, it was PS1 Music Maker.
Yeah, I think it's a really cool song actually, and I can actually play it in the background.
You can play it because
unless Mike's going to copyright me, I don't know.
Well, I could. I'll have to find. I think it's that one.
Starting to look like a car. It has new drive shafts in there. All the arms and stuff are in. We haven't put the steering linkage on because they're going to have to be adjusted, so the tracking needs doing basically. Not far off though, looking at it. Yeah, I've got my new skid plate bumper things on there. The rears are in. So we need some shock absorbers. That's next on the shopping list. What else have I got to buy?
Yes.
Yes. Looks like I'm going to need a battery holding thing. I don't think I've got one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Christ. Yeah, we're going to need some of them.
Yeah, I don't know where they've gone.
Well, they're just TLO1 anyway, so they're easy enough to get.
Okay.
I might have some.
Okay. Die quietly.
Okay.
Tyres and springs. Tyres and springs we need, and then we got to sort the electrics out.
Springs, suspension units.
So with the receiver,
Yes.
can I get another receiver that will work with my controller? Or
Yes.
Oh, I can?
Yeah, so you can run the radio on both vehicles.
Okay, how do I find one of those? Just keep looking on eBay for a receiver.
Yeah, just have a look at what the code is on the receiver and just put that into eBay.
Okay.
I think, actually, we could actually do a test now because I've got some receivers.
Oh.
We could do a quick test to see if it's compatible with one of mine.
Okay. Look at all the little springs Mike's got. Oh. Yeet them across the desk. Sorry about that.
Right.
Mike's found a receiver that works with my controller. What receiver is it? What's it?
Small one.
It's very small.
It's a very small one. Yeah.
Very small. It's impressive
It's
that
quite-
something like that works.
Yeah, it's quite a common one actually.
Look at the aerial. It's tiny.
Tiny. Dinky little aerial.
Yeah.
We won't go over why.
No, we've been through
bored
that.
everyone last
Yeah, you
time.
bored them all. They haven't
One
come
of
back
them,
since.
one of them even went asleep apparently.
I like planes.
That ruined it for me. I love planes.
On the 18th of August, there's an outdoor event apparently. So we're hoping to get ready, but that means I better hurry up and order these parts.
Yeah. That would be cool.
And I haven't got a shell.
You have? That Range Rover.
Yeah, oh, that's a knackered old thing.
Be perfect.
No.
Yeah. It depends. Do you want to basically rebuild the Range Rover and put that on? And
I
use
don't
that?
know.
Or you got to try and find a Wild Dagger body to go on.
Yeah, I'll just stick a body on of some sorts.
Because you might be able to still get a Wild Dagger body.
Yeah, you can. I think.
You can.
Yeah, I think I've seen them.
Yeah, they ain't gonna be cheap. They're probably about 40 odd quid. At least it'll be original.
We'll see.
But it would be cool with the Range Rover on it. Because it's something you did donkeys years ago.
Yeah, it's well old.
So it'll be like, yeah, it's gonna be fun
Anyway,
either way.
I need some dinner. I'm
Yes.
going.
It's too hot.
It's too hot.
Okay, bye.